So you're in Poland, enjoying the pierogi, the parks, and maybe even a bit too much vodka, when bam, a medical emergency hits. You panic. What do you do? Who do you call? What if nobody speaks English? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle a medical emergency in Poland, stress-free. There are 3 must-know emergency numbers, a few life-saving phrases in Polish you should probably jot down, and a key trick to getting seen faster at a Polish hospital. Stick with me, because I'm about to save your day, or maybe even your life. Alright, let's start with the basics. Poland doesn't use 911. That's only in Hollywood movies. For emergencies, you've got 999 for an ambulance, 998 for the fire department, and 997 for the police. But here's where it gets easier. You can actually just call 112, the EU-wide emergency number, and they'll redirect you to whatever service you need. So, if you only remember one thing from this video, it's the number 112. You can even call it from your cell with no SIM card. Magic, right? Now let's address the big elephant in the room. The language barrier. When you call 112 or 9999, there's a high chance the person on the other side speaks some English. Just try to stay calm and say, "I speak English slowly." If they don't understand you, no problem. Say ambulance. It's practically the same in Polish, and trust me, they'll figure it out. Here's the million-dollar question. Should you call an ambulance or get yourself to the nearest hospital? If it's life-threatening, like chest pain, severe bleeding, or you're about to pass out, don't gamble. Just call 112. But if it's something less urgent, like a twisted ankle or a nasty flu, skip the ambulance and head straight to the nearest ER, called SOR in Poland. That stands for Szpitalny Oddział Ratunkowy. Feels fancy, right? Let me prepare you for the Polish ER experience. It's not first come, first served like a Starbucks queue. It's based on a triage system. The more critical your case, the faster you're seen. So if you roll in with a headache while someone else has a broken arm, guess who's waiting longer? Here's the trick. If it's a real emergency, clearly describe your symptoms. Say things like, "I'm having chest pain." Don't just say, "I don't feel well." Polish triage is all about convincing them it's urgent. Want to impress people and maybe cut down your wait time? Learn these super basic phrases. Potrzebuję lekarza. That's "I need a doctor." Jestem chory if you're a man. Or jestem chora if you're a woman, meaning "I am sick." And the MVP, to jest nagły wypadek, which means this is an emergency. Practice these, because even just trying a little Polish can go a long way. Here's where I let you in on some insider secrets. If you're a resident in Poland with insurance, always carry your NFZ card. It's like a golden ticket to free healthcare. Tourists, you'll need an EHIC card, the European Health Insurance Card, or private insurance. No card, you'll be paying out of pocket. And Polish hospitals only accept cash or bank transfers, no credit cards. Awkward, right? Not every medical problem needs a hospital visit. Polish pharmacies known as apteka are absolute lifesavers. Pharmacists here are like unofficial doctors. They'll give you advice, over-the-counter meds, and sometimes even stuff you'd need a prescription for in other countries. Look for the neon green cross. That's your sign. Here's the big mistake most people make: assuming ambulances or hospital visits are free just because they're in Europe. Ambulances aren't always free unless it's life-threatening, and non-emergency hospital visits, you'll potentially be billed if you don't have the right insurance. So always check your coverage. To recap, memorize 112. Keep your insurance info handy. Polish ERs are about triage, not speed. Pharmacies are underrated heroes, and trust me, a little Polish goes a long way. Now you're officially prepared to handle any medical emergency in Poland. Smash that like button if you learned something, and drop a comment with your biggest fear about healthcare abroad. I'm here to help.